Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are starting our HTML journey. If you are a complete beginner, don't worry, I'll explain everything in the simplest way possible. So, what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is the basic building block of website. It tells your browser what to show on a web page and what not. It can be a paragraph, a text, a list of paragraphs, an image, a table, a button, an input, or anything else you can think of. It defines the meaning and structure of web content. Every website you visit, whether it's a Google, YouTube, or Facebook, uses HTML. Without it, there would be no web pages. Think of HTML like the skeleton of web page. It gives structures like bones and body, while other technologies like CSS and JavaScript are used for styling and interactivity, and they add more features. Let me break down the meaning of hypertext markup language. Here, hypertext refers to links that connect a web page to one another, either within a single website or between websites, where the markup simply means formatting text or let's say images, table, or other document content such as marking text bold, italic, or underlined. So what does HTML look like? This is what a basic web page look like in HTML. The HTML tag tells the browser it's an HTML document. Head contains information about the page and the body is where the actual content goes. Don't get scared, I'll explain everything in my upcoming videos. So the next question is, what do we need to get started? We will need a text editor and a browser. That's it. We don't need anything fancy here. But if you want, instead of Notepad, you can use any IDE. I'm using VS Code here. In the next video, we'll write our first HTML page together. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, and do whatever you want. Thank you.